So earlier we were talking about how you just kind of do your own thing, and then you have a group of people who are just like hanging out, or they pay you a few bucks a month to watch what you're doing. And then you kind of figure out what to talk about and what they might be interested in. And like reply emails are another good one. Like we kind of did a version of a reply email with this, right? So like I asked you guys in person, physically, hey, what do you have questions about? And you replied. So that's a really good one. Just figuring out what people want and the biggest pain points of actually working with clients. So like deliverability, the promo tab offer. There was a couple info products out there about how to do it, but they were all garbage. And no disrespect to the people who put them out, but ultimately, when you tell people they have to like do something that takes a really long time and gets like a result, like that's not fun. So me and Nick and a friend named Jan, we kind of like noticed that there's a better way to do things. So that's what we do. We still do it to this day, and we created an awesome offer that scaled like crazy to the right audience. And then after that, there was a couple like low ticket info products on the way, just like really curious things, like how to make money when people unsubscribe. I thought that was curious. It did well on Facebook and they got shut down. So that one kind of died quick, but people still buy it. But yeah, just thinking about all the pain points and problems and things people tell you. And it's like off the top of my head, I know people want to get higher open rates. The copywriters want to figure out to say when they don't know what to write about, how to close more clients, things like that. So those are a lot of the questions I get, and some of them are represented up here. But just attacking those pain points and initially like going the personal brand route that we'll talk about and just kind of building a list from that, getting some data, some feedback, and then once you have enough cash stacked up from killing it for your clients and not spending it on things, then you can put that into Facebook ads. But you really want to make sure it's dialed in, or YouTube ads, wherever you want to put it. So that's offer ownership. But I mean, we could go down an entire rabbit hole of that.